Good morning. Today is October the 6th, 2020. Dear friends, can you tell your parents or siblings any facts about severe weather? How can you protect yourself during a severe weather storm? For safety during a tornado, go to a basement. If you do not have a basement, go to an interior room without windows on the lowest floor, such as a bathroom or closet. Also, a sturdy piece of furniture, such as a table, is good to get under if possible. Have an emergency kit at your home for severe weather needs. You could include batteries, a whistle, food, water, extra shoes, a radio, flashlight, and a blanket. Stay safe during severe weather. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.